Dynamically change page title. To set the document title, we define the title tag in our index.html file. Let's take a look at the index.html file of my code example. Here we set the title tag to view tip dynamically change page title. If you take a look at the running example, we can see that the document's title is the same string as we defined in the index.html file. In many applications, we have different routes and want to show a dedicated title for each route. Unfortunately, this does not work out of the box, and we need to write some code to enable this functionality. We can use the beforeEach guard on the router instance to dynamically set the document title on each route. Let's take a look at our router configuration. We have defined 3 routes, one for the home component, one for the about component, and one for the contact component. Let's now add the beforeEach guard, call router.beforeEach, and define a callback function, and this callback function accepts 2 arguments. The first one is the to route and the second one is the from route. What we now want to do is to call document.title, where we can set the document's title value to any string. So let's give it a try, and we set default title. If we now save, we can see that in our example the title is default title. But what we want to do is we want to access a title that we have defined. So here I try to access the meta object on the route and try to access its title property. If it is not undefined, it will use the title value of this property. If it is undefined, it will use the default string. What we now need to do is we need to add the meta object to our routes. So we need to call meta, title, home, and now we need to do this for every route. So I copy this here, paste it on the about component and on the contact component. And the final step is to rename the title to about and to contact. And if you now switch back to the application, we are now on the home route. So we can see that the title is home. If we navigate to the about page, the document's title is about. And if we navigate to the contact route, we can see that the title is contact. So at this point, we have updated our code to dynamically update the page title when the page changes.